better way to finish off a year of Fiction Kitchen than with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. For some breakfast ideas, let's look to our friend Jake the dog for inspiration.
Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake!
Bacon pancakes are quite easy to make. All we need is bacon and some pancakes. Let's get started. We're going to cook the bacon first in a large non-stick pan on the stove. Before turning on the heat, lay out as many strips of bacon as you can fit without crowding the pan. I've got room for 5 here, but just barely. Now turn on the heat to about medium, and watch as the bacon gets sizzling. Cook them until they're just about as crunchy as you want them. I like mine extra crispy, but these bacon strips are going to get a little bit of extra cooking when they're in our pancakes. Once they're done cooking, set them aside on a wire rack or a paper towel to cool off and to run off some of the grease. Using either a knife or a pair of kitchen scissors, cut some of your bacon into chunks. Now we're going to make our pancake batter. My batter came out a bit dry and lumpy because I use whole wheat flour instead of enriched white flour, and I didn't add enough milk. If you're following along, try using white flour instead, or adding another half a cup of milk. I'm sifting together 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Sifting helps to aerate the ingredients to get a lighter mixture. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of melted butter with 1 large egg and a cup of milk. Then pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them until they're just combined. You don't want to overmix or your pancakes will come out too dense. You want them light and fluffy. Again, my batter here is pretty lumpy and dry, which I don't mind because they still taste amazing. If you're using different flour or you've added more milk, yours should be more runny. Runny pancake batter is easier to cook. Heat a flat griddle to medium-high and scoop out some of your pancake batter to whichever size you want. Quickly, before the batter cooks too much, add your chunks of bacon to the top of your pancakes. Your pancakes might end up looking a bit like pizza pancakes, which honestly sounds delicious to me. When the bottom sides are cooked, flip your pancakes bacon side down and let them finish cooking. If you have any extra pieces of bacon, you can easily gobble them up alongside your pancakes, and even some eggs for some extra breakfast goodness. Don't forget that maple syrup.